M0FXB, welcome to my videos on the YAESU FTM-100D C4FM VHF UHF GPS and APRS transceiver. M0FXB, so let's add our jumbo hotspot using the Pi-Star system to our YAESU FTM-100 digital C4FM radio. Let's set up the radio first. We need to get into memory mode and save a channel. So memory mode, and we need to be in 70 centimeters. So we'll hit the band button, and we're going to type. We can use the hand thing here. So 4, 3, 8, 8. That's the the frequency we've chosen. Okay, so let's now just make sure it's all simplex and we're in the right operating mode, which is digital narrow. So we can hit the DX button first. So we're now in digital narrow. We don't want any shifts or anything like that. So we'll hold down DISP and we'll go to config, push DISP again, and we'll go to repeater shift. We want it to be simplex up to number 1. Turn this knob here up to number 1 and then back out. So we're in simplex. Now we don't want any minuses or anything showing on the screen, and we'll just check that. Now, I prefer my hotspot to be in low power, so we've got the power here on low, and we'll just key the mic, and there's no shift. We're in the wrong mode there. We need to be in DN. If you leave the line above, it means it's automatic. It will automatically switch if it picks up a digital or analog signal. So we'll leave it off so it stays in DN, and there we are. We're in DN mode. There's no shift, and we're on the A band, because if you go A and B, you can swap. But anyway, we're in the A band, and then we're going to now add that to a memory channel, and we're going to call it our hotspot. So what we'll do is hold down VM, like so, and there it is. We'll leave it at number 3, but we could go down if we wanted to. Then we're going to tag it, and we're just going to call it hotspot. We can push tag, and then we can turn the knob here for H, push along with the arrow, LMNO, try and go fast, hot, PQRS, LMNOP, hotspot, all the way across. And if you've got more than one hotspot, you call it hotspot or DV Mega, open spot 3. But right now it's just hotspot for jumbo hotspot. We're happy with that. Now push the DISP again, and then one more time, and our hotspot's in there. So let's have a look at the computer now. To add the call sign, just hold down DISP and then go to menu number 14. Select DISP and then select number 1. And now you're going to add your call sign. So select DISP again, and then we can start adding our call sign. So it's M, LM, like so. Then we go across 0. Now we want a 0, 0, like a number, so we need to push this button here. Keep going until you see that's it. Then go forward 1, then F, forward 1, X, X, then we go forward 1, then B, B, like so. M0FXB. Now we don't really want anything in there, so we'll clear that for now. Now I think I could put a space and then Andy, but I'm not going to do that now. So then now you just push DISP again, M0FXB, and it's in there. Let's just double check that it is in there. We'll go menu, call sign. Oh, where's that gone? Didn't we save it? I think we didn't save it. And then just finally, you just push the DISP and it goes beep, and then it saves it. And when you back out and go back in, it shows it. And that's Nico's toy there. that he just made, and he wanted everyone to see it. So okay, so now when we key, it will show up on the radio. So let's just show you that on the Pi-Star, like so, and we'll just go M0FXB test, and it shows up red there. So that's working great. Catch you in a bit. So back at the Pi-Star screen, so you put in the IP address of your hotspot. Hopefully you've already added the username and password into your SD card so that you can find your hotspot. And when you do, you'll be on this. So the configuration will be, click on that. So you want to go to the MMDVM host, YSF mode here, slide that over to YSF mode. Scroll down a bit, get your call sign in. DMR number's not so important at the moment. Radio frequency, yeah, the same as the one we programmed in the radio. You could call it Pi-Star, and then maybe you could say Fusion or D-Star, depending on what you're connecting to. Then the normal radio modem type, the type of hotspot that you're using is here, look. We didn't really touch anything else. And then I've got mine connected to America Link Wires X, but look, there's a massive list for you to choose from. And that's it really. And then click Apply Changes. Once you've done that correctly, go back to Dashboard. And then when you key up, it will go red. And I'll show you my call sign key up now. M0FXB test.